Well, it's opening day of turkey season, and I'm in a blind where I've shot a bunch of birds. It's 3:51 p.m. and I worked today and then rushed home after I got done with work and then immediately came here. The setup that I've got though is I'm in between where I think my blind setup, I think they're roosting like right here behind me. I expect birds to come from over here, work this little wood line, come right in front of me, and then over there behind me go to roost. So we'll see if that happens. I'm gonna sit tight. It should be a good evening. So I'm actually tired of sitting here. So I'm gonna get up out of this blind and go move around and see what I can see. So I just came back to my blind. There's toms in the freaking field and I've got to try to sneak up on them. Holy moly, I'm freaking out. I'm gonna take my GoPro, put it on my head. I gotta go. This is insane. They're down there in the corner. There's a rabbit. I'm about to crawl to get to the edge of these woods right here on this corner because they're gonna funnel right through here. I believe so. Oh, I see him. They're coming in. That hen gets past, we may be in business. Or they're gonna have to get close enough. It's crazy. We're good. The strutter is the closest right here. She'll come in at like 40 yards. Smoked them. No way. No way. Oh. They started running. Oh my gosh, and I just picked the one in front. Oh my gosh. I got him, guys. No way that that just happened. Safety on. They saw me because I had to prop up. Oh my God, my back was killing me. Oh, sorry, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Check it out. Oh, that's a big old tom right there, boys. Oh my gosh. Look at these colors on the feathers. Look at that tan coloration. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Beard, probably 8 inches. See the snoot on him. Nice snoot. Not bad. Spurs. That is bizarre. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful tom. Evening hunt. Opening day. I knew that they were going to come to roost. I just didn't know that they were going to come from the way that they did, because I hopped out of the blind and I was going to go try to see if there were any turkeys kind of down the property some. Didn't hear anything, but I spooked one. I saw it fly up and I checked the camera that was in that area, and it actually got it running away from me because I was just walking down like a trail. I didn't have my GoPro on or anything. And I was like, dang. I was like, well, let's just come back to this spot, see if there's anything in this field. And sure enough, I saw these 2 toms pushing that hen, and I knew that they were going to funnel down, and so that's why I set up on that corner. Holy moly, it almost didn't happen. I mean, I almost got busted, but they saw me because when I went to prop up on my elbow, I kind of moved because my back was killing me. Wow. Couldn't be happier. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you hadn't yet, subscribe, like the video, and check out some other videos on my channel, because it'll be more, hopefully more of this. Man, I appreciate y'all. God's good. God's good. I'll see you on the next one.